Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, your skills, constraints, and a short exploration budget. First, set a 90-day goal and block 30 minutes to list 3 strengths and 3 weaknesses. Then collect past feedback, performance reviews, teacher notes, client comments to spot patterns. Once done, choose one low-cost way to test a fit. Try a micro course or volunteer gig within your budget. This keeps you moving immediately, rather than waiting for perfect conditions, and establishes measurable progress from day one. You now run structured experiments that reveal what feels like vocation versus what's merely interesting. Create 3 experiments, 1 shadowing session, 1 micro-project you can complete in a week, and 1 skill trial that demands repeated practice. Measure each by time investment, enjoyment, and outcome using a simple 1 to 5 scale and record qualitative notes. Once each 2-week window ends, compare scores and keep the lesson that maps to your strengths. Make sure to discard what drains you, so you focus on what grows momentum. You finalize by picking one path and committing 6 months with clear milestones and weekly tasks. Start building a small portfolio or case study by month 3 to demonstrate progress. This clarifies direction and signals real-world fit. If momentum stalls, diagnose quickly. Swap out 1 experiment for a new trial and schedule a mentor conversation within 2 weeks. Troubleshooting this way prevents paralysis. Keep iterations short, measure outcomes, and prioritize paths that align with your strengths and deliver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.